We are here in Bad Harzburg. It's in the Harz Mountains, near in the middle of Germany. We are just in the middle of the forest with our factory. We are in the Obenauf GmbH. It's a company which is producing cardboard since more than 125 years. And today we produce recycled cardboard for packaging and for roofing material, waste paper based. The waste paper is mainly collected near our company. The principle of paper making is you make pulp of fibers. So you take the waste paper and water and put it in a big mixer and cut it and make a pulp. The drying process is a big oven with ventilation system. We are blowing hot air on the cardboard to get the water out of the cardboard. The oven is directly heated with gas burners in the ventilation system.
Here at Obenauf Cardboard Manufacturing we have 4 C65 Capstone microturbines installed for their drying process of their final product.
We take the exhaust of the gas turbines direct to the drying systems and produce a part of the heating energy now with the liquid turbines. So we have the exhaust system, we can change between 2 production lines and heat exchangers so that we can produce flexible with the gas turbines and they can heat the whole factory with the gas turbines if the production line is not running.
The clean exhaust of the Capstone microturbine and the temperature level is extraordinarily suitable for their drying process. And the electricity came as a bonus and they use that in their own process in the factory.
With the microturbines we produce about 600 kilowatts heating energy and about 250 kilowatts electrical energy. Because we have a high heating energy consumption to install a system with combined heating and electrical power, and we searched a lot of time, but every other systems like gas motors have the heating energy on the wrong temperature value for us because we need high temperatures for our drying system. So we find the Capstone turbines and it seems to be a good solution for us.
The setup in this factory is very interesting for Capstone. It shows the high efficiency of the microturbine for drying processes.
We started with the turbines in April 2011. They are running now about 6,000 hours. We have no bigger problems with running or maintenance, and overall we are satisfied now with the performance of the turbines.